Tito. Tito. Lulaga TV.
Jennifer, good morning, Jennifer. Punta mo na ako, parking, kay na ako paliton birthday ng bunso ko. Oy, happy birthday. Stop writing. Read.
Oh, why?
And understand what are you reading. You have to learn. Oh, you can put the wording. You can write. You write mommy, daddy, flower.
Oh my